You are going to love the 2025 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel,